How do I recharge a prepaid mobile on EG Payment? To recharge a prepaid mobile number, you have to click on Prepaid option under Recharge and Bill Payments section on the EG Payment app home screen. Now, enter the mobile number you want to recharge, or you can search and select a contact from your contact list. It will automatically fetch the operator and circle. Verify the operator name and circle, and modify them if needed. Now enter the amount you want to recharge for. You can see available common plans by tapping on View Plans. If you have Airtel or Vi SIM card, you can tap and see some special plans, which are available for your SIM via our offers. Now click on Submit, and enter 4-digit MPIN after checking the details again. Kindly note that successful recharge couldn't be cancelled, so you have to check the details carefully. After successful payment on the app, an SMS confirmation will be sent out by the service provider to the number that was recharged. In case you have not received your recharge, you can contact us via call or WhatsApp number mentioned on EG Payment app support section. Recharges on EG Payment are successful instant, but sometimes there may be a delay in receiving the status of recharge from the operator end. Most of pending recharge are successful in 15 to 30 minutes. In rare case it may take up to 24 hours. You can check the recharge status in transaction history. You can't cancel a recharge once you initiate a request on EG Payment. If you make a recharge of an incorrect number or wrong plan and it is successful on that number, the recharge can't be cancelled by operator end. We request you to check the details of your recharge before making it confirmed. If your recharge is success but benefit not received on your mobile, in this condition you should be check recharge number first. It should be correct. If number is correct, please check validity on your phone. If validity not received, then contact to EG Payment customer care. If you still have any query, contact our customer support.